Hey, welcome back everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host, it's Paul Motley here. It's going to be a short one, but I think important one today. Gosh, the week just flies by, doesn't it? It's crazy. So what I wanted to talk about is, we touched on this before, so if it's your first time listening, then make sure you go back, hit subscribe, listen to the rest of the episodes. I do these every single day, so you will miss out if you don't subscribe, seriously. And what it is I see a lot of people posting like results and stuff that they're doing online, which is great, but sometimes those results are either skewed, faked, or slightly misleading. So you've got to do it in the right way, and it can work to your advantage, because ultimately we're talking about it's like Mike Dillard's magnetic sponsoring. If you've ever read that book or that ebook, then you'll understand totally what I'm talking about. If you haven't, it may still be on sale. It was a little while ago, but to go try and find it, like I said, that book again was Magnetic Sponsoring by Mike Dillard. Now, that was based on trying to get people into a network marketing business, so attracting people to you rather than you having to go out and look for people. But it can work in online business as well, and you tend to find that a lot of people will be desperate for success, and what you don't want to do is come across like you're bragging if you do get success at any level, really. But try and use it as like a motivation. Try and say, right, well, this was the journey that I went through to get to this. This is the steps that I took. This is how we managed to do it. And, try and say and be thankful for everything, and make sure that you're completely modest in what you're doing, because then it doesn't come across as self-promotion. It doesn't come across completely transparent as if you're trying to attract people to you. But I still think it's kind of like in the morality stakes, it's kind of like a grey area. Now, I have done that myself before, but only really for, like I say, for motivation, and try and give people a better understanding of what it's like to hit certain levels in affiliate marketing. So try and, once you get that success, then, you're going to have like hundreds, thousands of people desperate for that same success. And obviously they're going to come to you, and that could lead into either you helping them out directly. It could be like more advanced help with some coaching or mentoring, or maybe you've got something that a product or service that you can sell, which will help them even more. But what you'll find is a lot of people will actually go and check your profile out. So if you don't have your profile optimized, then you could be wasting a lot of organic traffic. And it is one of the really cool ways of getting organic traffic. Believe me, this stuff works. So a little bit of tips on there about making sure that if you are successful, you do it in the right way, so you don't come across as big-headed or egotistical or anything else like that. So like I said, short one today, but keep pushing forward. Make sure you blast it right till the weekend and through to next week. And again, we will see you again tomorrow, and look forward to it.